Now you can see these are shapes.
Yeah.
Okay, this is rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, star tool. If you click on rectangle tool, you can see this is a shape layer. This is fill color, you can change like this. This is stroke color,
To be outside.
like white color, huh?
To be outside.
Outside, see, you can change like this. Okay, so this is a shape. If you click on fill, not on the color, this is fill color. If you click on the fill name, see fill options, so it will show you like no color, color and gradient. Okay, like see, this is gradient. Okay, so this is, see, opacity. Okay, added gradients, like see here, colors, added gradients. So the first color, like see, it is red, second color is black, like this. Okay, now delete this one. Then you can make same rounded rectangle, ellipse, polygon and star tool. If you make ellipse tool, for example, see, it is like this. Now you can make like, click here, you can make it simple, color also. Okay, then color you can change. And if you make a star shape, see, this is star. Okay, like this one. Then move this one here, for example. Okay, so you can click here polystar. Okay, polystar path 1, see type, position, rotation, points. There are 5 points. So if you click here, this one, it will start animations, keyframe animation. Then till 5 seconds you will add one more keyframe. Then at this point you will change like this. Okay, and stroke is stroke, nothing. Okay, now see. So when you play it, you will like this. Okay, so now you can try these shapes.